Now I am going to start the last topic on body movement, and here we are going to discuss the only one animal that is that name of that animal is snake. The name of that animal is snake. This snake. We are going to talk about how this snake moves on the ground and what does the skeleton, which kind of the skeleton is present in this in the snake. Now here there is a we call as a, there is snake do not have leg. That is the first information which you have to understand. Snake do not have any legs for the movement. For the moment. This is the first point which you have to understand. There is a snake, and in that snake they do not have a leg for the moment. So how they move? They use their long backbone. They use their long backbone along with muscles for the movement. This is the first point which you have to understand, that the snakes do not have leg. They do not have any leg. First point. Now, if they do not have leg, then how it moves? This kind of animals, how they move? They have a long backbone. They have a long backbone. By the use of this long backbone and muscles, long backbone and muscle. By the use of long backbone and muscles, they move on the ground. They move on the ground. Okay, fine. Now that there is a third point of this, which is also important. How this snake change their position. They have in the body of this snake like that. This curve kind of the things which you can see here, it is called a loop. This curve nature of the body of the snake is called a loop. By the use of this loop, they change their position. By the use of this loop, this snake change their position. And what they do basically, the head of the structure of this snake, they rigid that head and contract their body and the backside portion they fix on the ground, backside of the portion they fix on the ground and again push forward on the ground. In this way, they move from the different position, different direction. So the last point which I want to write here, that is their body curves into many loops. Like here I have shown here, these are the many loops which gives to which gives it a forward push which gives a forward push by pressing against the ground. By pressing against the ground. So here again I am explaining is it their body has a curve. Their body has a curve, and curve is made up of these loops. The curve is made up of these loops. This kind of the nature is called a body has a curve nature, and these curve nature are basically called as a loops. Once these loops are made up, they provide the forward push. They provide the forward push. What they do for the forward push? What they do for the forward push? They basically these forward push for pressing against the ground. These forward push pressing against the ground. These forward push pressing against the ground. Okay, fine. There is a kind of the structure. Again, I am explaining the same thing which I have written here. You have to very say very carefully. Number 1 point. Snakes do not have leg. Number 1 point. Snakes do not have a leg. What they do if they do not have leg, then how they move on the ground? They move on the ground by the use of long backbone. They use the long backbone and muscles for the motion. Second point. Third point. When they move, the body gives curve. When they moves on the ground, the body gives curve like that. The body gives curve, and that curves are basically forming loops. That curves forming loops. What these loops do? These loops provide the forward push. These loops provide the forward push. Okay, by pressing against the ground. These loops. The work function of these loops are basically what happened here. Once these loops are made here, what happened? These loops gives the forward push. These loops gives the forward push. Okay. Once what they do for the forward push, they pressing against the ground. These loops basically press against the ground so that they can move from one position to another position. So it is all about this snake. Now I am going to allow to ask any question. Let me pause this video. Okay, this is the question, and in this question, what you have to do, you have to match the following. And here, the column A talks about the upper jaw, fish, tips, snail, and cockroach. Now you have to match on the column B, from the column B. Now, when we talk about upper jaw means this one, this portion, and as for the given option, upper jaw is immovable. Upper jaw is immovable. That is the correct option. Upper jaw is immovable. That cannot move. Okay, it is fixed move. Fine. Now the second is fish. Fish is have a streamlined body. Fish is a streamlined body, and second, fish is a streamlined body and have fin on the body. There is a wings on the body. The second option is also correct. Fish have a fine fins on the body as well as have a streamlined body. Ribs, when we talk about ribs, ribs is a protect the heart. Ribs is the work, the function of ribs is protect the heart. Now the third is snail. Snail is shows a very slow movement. Snail is shows very slow movement. Snail is shows very slow movement. And there is a last option, cockroach. Cockroach, as I already told, cockroach has an outer skeleton. Cockroach has an outer skeleton. And also cockroach can also fly in the air. Cockroach also can fly in the air. Okay, fine. Cockroach has an outer skeleton and cockroach also can fly in the air for a few times, for a few seconds. These are the options which I have discussed, and it is the all the dot topic which I covered in the previous classes. I had covered in the previous classes. These already comes here. Okay. Anybody have any question related to this? They are allowed to ask.